Hi friends, this is Devansh, and in this video I am going to help you with the network connection issues and how you can improve the net speed if you are getting a very slow internet speed in your system with few settings. So please watch this video completely. Let's begin. So go and open CMD and run it as administrator. Once you run it as administrator, you have to type this command netshint ip reset c reset log.txt. I will put this command in the description also so that you can copy it from there. Copy this and paste it in the command prompt and execute it. Then type exit. You have to restart the computer to complete the action. So just type exit and then go and restart your PC. So internet speed can be improved by changing the DNS server also. For that, go to control panel and then go to networks and internet. There, go to network and sharing center and go to change adapter settings. In change adapter setting, go to Wi-Fi and right click on it and go to properties. You can go to Ethernet also if you are using Ethernet. Then go to Internet Protocol version 4 and here in the DNS server give 1.1.1.1 4 ones and alternate DNS server is 1.0.0.1 and click on OK and then again check. So you can change the setting also. Go to settings. In setting, go to internet and network and there go to network reset. So click on reset now. This will completely reset your all the networks in the system. Click on yes and this will sign out from the system. Other settings are go to update and security. In update and security, you will find the option of troubleshoot. Go there and click on internet connection and click on run the troubleshooter and this will start detecting the problem, and if there is problem in your network connection it will resolve this. So this is the troubleshooting way. Finally, you can check the driver. For that, go to device manager. In the device manager, search for the network adapters. Open it. Go to network adapter. In network adapter you will find this Realtek wireless. Right click on it and click on update driver. So this will update the driver. Click on search automatically. So it will search online for the drivers. So once the search is complete, you can try to install the device. If issue is not resolved, click on install to install the device. So this way you can update and install the device to improve the internet connection. So these are all the methods which can help you to fix the error. If you find any of this method helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also please like the video. Thank you for watching.